You clicked on this video because you care about your dreams, you have goals, but you would not take an action. And I'll tell you why. Because you are waiting for that proof to show up so you can start. But what if I told you the proof shows up when you actually take an action? And how I know this? Because I am living example of this. I was so ready to delete that video. Why? Because I felt scared. I wasn't ready. I almost deleted it because it wasn't filmed in the right angle. And if I had, none of this would exist. My business, my life, and the fact that we have this channel is all because of that one decision only. And the reason why I'm sharing this all with you, because I know you have dreams. You have been dreaming of starting maybe your YouTube channel. You have been dreaming about starting your business, but you won't take an action because you are stuck in these 3 blocks, which I'm about to share in this video, because I was definitely stuck in all these 3 blocks. So buckle up, because after watching this video, something is going to change within you. Let me actually take you back before we talk about the blocks. So I was working as a tech recruiter, and I had a very comfortable job, stable job, good pay, everything looks really good. But I had this desire that I want to do something creative. I had this dream of starting my YouTube channel. From the beginning, I had this pull towards it. I actually started another channel, not this one, the another one, and completely failed. I stopped. But that dream stayed with me. And I kept telling myself that I really want to start. When I started YouTube channel, if you scroll back to my old videos, I was posting a fashion content. The content that I honestly did not even care. I was posting it because I just needed some creativity outlet, and I told myself, okay, I'm going to start my YouTube channel and I'm going to post this content, and that's pretty much it. Because I was stuck in the first block. Because I know playing it safe feels like protection, but it is not protection. Why? Because our comfort is actually the problem why we are not growing in life. Now pause for a second and think about anything that you want to achieve in your life. Even if it is like trying a new job, starting a YouTube channel, or starting a business, you are stuck because right now, whatever your situation is, you are comfortable. It's so easy to complain. If you complain about your situation, that makes you feel better. But you are not changing your life is because you haven't stepped out of the comfort. And that was exactly my story. I was posting my fashion content because it felt very comfortable. And every time I made a video about how I'm changing my life or something related to my life, that video only got like maybe 100 views. And I was telling myself, what's the point? Let me just protect my ego. And I kept posting the fashion content, which was around that time, I think it was getting like 1,000 views. And I told myself, oh my God, that's amazing. Like that is the best thing ever. And this is the scary part. Imagine if I kept posting the same fashion content that I didn't care about. But what changed when I asked myself this question, like, who am I making these videos? If I wanted to share my content because I truly want to inspire someone, then why do I care that if it's only getting 100 views? Why do I care if nobody's commenting? Why do I care if my videos are not going viral? That changed everything. And if you are someone who have a burning desire to start your YouTube channel to grow and monetize, then click the link in the description box below. And if you qualify, I would love to help you out. But not until I hit by another block. Because one day I got so frustrated and I told myself, today I'm going to step out of my comfort zone. And I take out the camera, I start filming, I end up recording the whole video. And I felt really good about myself only until when I watched that video and wait a second. This video is not even the right format. This video is supposed to be horizontal, and this video does not have a perfect thumbnail. This video does not have a lot of things that's supposed to be perfect. And then I was telling myself, I don't think I should post it because it's not perfect. But let me tell you, the perfection was just the cover. Deep down, I was not ready. I was scared. And this is where most of our dreams die, because we tell ourselves, oh, let me make sure this part is ready, then I'm going to start this. Oh, let me make sure everything is perfect before I launch my YouTube channel. Let me make sure my business idea is well written before I even launch my product. Let me do more research. What are we doing? We're actually protecting ourselves. Deep down, were not ready. I wasn't ready. I felt scared. But what made a change is when I told myself that if my goal is to inspire someone, then I need to get out of my own way. And that is something that we all do. A lot of time we think that we cannot change our life because so and so situation. But 99% of the time, we are blocking our own success. And that's exactly what I was doing. Telling myself that this piece is not perfect, I was in my own way. And when I moved out of my way, that video changed everything. And till this date, that imperfect video is the most viral video on my channel. And that one video inspires so many of you. I remember looking at the comment that made me so emotional, like how much impact that video made. I received so many emails, the messages, and the overwhelming response told me that if you get out of your own way, that's when shift actually happened. Because that was the moment when I stopped playing safe. That one video became the foundation of this channel. Before that, I barely was going anywhere. And can you imagine? I almost deleted that video. But this is not enough, because the third block that I'm about to share with you, this is another reason why most of us just quit too early. And I know after hearing my story, a lot of people are going to think, okay, so you just need a one video, you post it, go viral, and that's it. And here's the thing, just one video going viral doesn't change anything. What you do afterward. I made the decision to stay consistent, even when the circumstances were not otherwise. I had a situation where I was filming in the nighttime when my son was sick or something was happening. I was kept going because I was very clear that one video is not going to change my life. It's the compound interest. If I keep doing the same thing over and over, something will shift. But problem is, when we are doing something, we wanted to achieve success within 1 year, within 6 months. We want right away. And that's where the change doesn't happen. It happens when you keep taking that action. And I told myself I'm not allowed to skip any week without video. And I almost posted twice a week for 1 year. And if you have posted a video, you know that it's very challenging, especially when you are a mom. I have to make sure everything is well taken care of before I actually film a video. It's not easy to stay consistent. I know this, but I also know by staying consistent will change everything. And this is where most of us stay stuck. We actually quit right before when the compound interest kicks in, right before our moments are showing up. Imagine if I stayed comfortable. Imagine if I told myself that I am not ready and I kept posting the fashion content. And that part scares me. That one decision changed everything. What I am about to say, it might sting you, but right now, these blocks are keeping you stuck. If you think about the situation, whatever you have dreams and goals, why you are not moving forward is not because of any circumstances, is because you just need to take in one action. And then you have to keep going after that every single day, because you're never going to be ready. You have to post that imperfect content. You're not going to be ready. You just have to launch that business, because imperfect action is actually going to move the needle. By staying stuck and telling yourself you're only going to move forward when you have everything figured it out, you're never going to start. If you made it to this far, I want you to write down what is the one block that is keeping you stuck, and stop hiding yourself and stop hiding behind safe. Do the thing that actually scares you. Post that imperfect. Stop waiting to be ready. You're never going to be ready. And stop measuring your success in days. Play a long-term game. And this is exactly the formula of success. And if you don't believe it, I'm a living example of this. Because if I can go back to that Ankita a year ago, I'm so proud that she took those actions. She didn't know what is going to happen next. She didn't know her exact plan, but she kept going. One video after another video. And look now, 1 year has made so much change. Imagine how 5 years is going to change, how 10 years from now is going to change. And if this video inspire you, I want you to share this video with someone who is looking for that sign to change their life, because I know there is someone out there who is stuck right now in this block, and I know that change only happen with the one decision only. Thank you so much for watching this video.